Alright, hey guys, I honestly didn't think I would have had to make a video concerning this, but I think I should make a video concerning what I'm about to say. There is two situations that has occurred with the same set of people, and I will not call their names. I will not call the area. I will not call anything like that. If anybody knows me, I've always tried to protect even the persons who I thought may have infected me. I have not called their names. I'm not that kind of person. But it has come to my attention on two different occasions that persons are seeing me, which I can understand. I'm on social media. I put my status out there for no other reason so that you can hear my story and not come down this road. Basically, take a page out of my book. Now, I know that people are going to know me, meaning them know of me. You don't know me. You know of me because I'm on social media and I'm trying to bring awareness. Now, I'm trying to keep my composure, in all honesty, because the first time I heard it, I cried. Today, when I heard it again, it felt like somebody pushed a knife into my heart. Why? Because when I came out was to bring awareness, not for any other reason, not for you to know my business, but for you not to come down this road. Not many people would be brave enough or would do what I'm doing, right? So I commend myself for that. I put my face out there. I put my face on my book, my journey, Live HIV, my journey through grace. See, the way I'm just so upset right now, I can't remember the name of the book, but it's HIV, my journey through grace by Alistair Anderson. Now, it pains my heart because here I am thinking I'm doing something that is good. Two, I'm trying to advocate for persons who are living with HIV and AIDS, who they're afraid to share their status to their family members or to any other person because of the same thing, being stigmatized and discriminated, right? Now, because of you people, the ones who are doing it, these people who are living with HIV/AIDS don't want to take their medication. Them no want to go doctor because them afraid who are going to see them. See them in the community. See them at the clinic. And talk all manners of evil. I can be going to the clinic because I have a doctor friend down there and my doctor friend just so works in that area. Does it mean that I'm HIV positive? No, it doesn't. I can be walking with a man in his community. It doesn't mean that me and the man there. It's just my brethren. Now, the first time it reached my ears, I should say, a lucky thing me did a reason with a particular individual. So the particular individual knew my status, not knowing say me I walk with somebody or them see me and them not really know if it's me, which me no need. Look here, I am proud of what I do, so I don't need to disguise myself. And you see me, you wonder if it's me, and you go to the person when me already tell and say to the person, say, you know her? Sir, madam, you don't know me. You know of me, but you do not know me. Right? Me know her status, you know. From me here, say you know my status, me know what you got after. You're trying to defame my character. So what if you know my status? You went to the individual concerning another individual. I wonder if them know say she have it. Anybody will know me from me meet you, me I tell you my status. I saw me open. Right? So okay, the person say, how you know say she probably is not she. Yes, me know her from social media. That's where you all know me from, because you don't know me. Alright. You add salt to the wound, no problem. Lucky thing me did tell the individual, because the individual probably would have been shocked for no say me there around them and me never say nothing. Which is my privacy if I choose to tell you yes or no. The second time it reached in my ears, yo, when I put a dagger in my heart. You see me, I walk with a particular individual. You don't know if I'm a man. You don't know if I'm a cousin. You don't know if I'm a brother. My father can have outside pitney and I don't know him have outside pitney. Or it could just be a mutual friend. Look here. You see right now? I'm not going to make none of you make me stop on me because I'm proud in what I'm doing by bringing awareness, educating people on HIV, AIDS, and not recommending, but telling them to go get tested. Right? Not for una sleep with people who have it and you don't even know. So no, don't get me started here. You see me walking with a particular individual. Why you have to go to somebody else? Can it come back in my ears? To say, me see him, the girl what him a walk with. Me know her. You don't know me. Stop telling people say you know me, you don't know me. Because if you knew me, you wouldn't be talking, spreading propaganda. In fact, it's not even propaganda. But you wouldn't be gossiping. Because you would know what I stand for and what I'm doing. So yeah, me I hang with a particular individual. So what? Boy, I'm stupid for hang with she. Yes, him have it. And if him company ever knows him have it, him lose him work. The way me feel discouraged people, me feel like me not even want to do this no more. Because me think me did do a good thing. One thing me can tell you, nobody, no man, because I don't sleep with girls, I'm not into women, I'm not in a girl. So no man can come and tell you, say, this girl infect them. Me not careless, me not stupid. In fact, why am I going to go on protected with you when I don't even know your status? Me know mine. Did I go to the shop asking for it? Did I buy it? No, I did not. In all of the 16 years when me there, I got through this. Me never think me did have to come address this. Anybody when me I talk to, I may associate with me, say, look here, people know my status. And one of the things that I'm afraid of them, I gonna start say, you have it. Because you associate with me. Like hugging me, kissing me. We are hang out together, you can catch HIV. And that is why me I said to understand the need to get educated. Because not only naive. Because of lack of knowledge. Because somebody's seen with me or hanging with me, you're going to say that you're going to walk and tell people, say, him have it or she have it. That's so stupid. I've worked 16 years to where I am today. I'm not telling a lie. When me hear for the second time, my heart pain me. So I'm not to walk with nobody. I'm not supposed to hang with anybody. I don't deserve love too. I don't deserve for somebody to care about me too. Look here, some only know why you don't know nobody. Oh, because it's a sexual transmitted disease. Not for who no go beer back with people and don't know them status. It's just the grace and mercy of God why you're not reaching my situation. So how dare you? How dare you? Because the person is hanging with me. You know what that can do to somebody? Especially when he moves from one ear to the other. And he goes into a community. Do you know what it can do? I don't worry about me, because I put myself out there to help Uno. But when you're going to take it to somebody who is close to me, and I'm going to say the man have it. And if him company know him can lose him job. Look here, I don't even know what to do.